Hi Chad! Welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? I forgot to open my dashboard. Hooray! And I'm not logged in. Oh my god. Anyway, it is Saturday, April 27th of 2024. We are back for yet another stream. Ubuntu 2020 2404. Can't talk. Was released a couple days ago, I think, if I remember correctly. And so we gotta update some stuff for it. So that's the plan for today, is to go through that as well as some other random open source garbage. And yeah, we'll get to that. Let me say hi to everyone who's here. JJMC was first. Hello, hello. Walker Codes, also good to see you again. Life's Faded, welcome back. Funky Monkey and Artalis, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Woosa's also here. Hello, hello. Kazakar, welcome, welcome. Beldathis with the 10 biddies and the ubuntu. Oh, ubuntu, what's this? A new fucky wookie Winix? Anyway, welcome, welcome. 10 weeks in a row. Yeah, that is, I guess how it's gone, Musa. Kazakar is already running it. Nice. We are also preparing for Le Fin du Monde. It's French. Focus on that. There we go. There we go. But it's fake French, so the wrong French spelled on this. It's me, League. Hello, hello. How you doing? Ho ho ho. Indeed, indeed. It's Montreal French. Pourquoi fake? Because it's Canadian French. But yeah, cheers. The T is silent. Silent. Mustache, hello, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. Okay, so yes, YouTube's. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Montreal. You gotta leave out half the letters. Mustache says, please, I'm not a bot. I say it again. You're not a bot. Okay, anyway. I got a new little stats thing for my raids so that I can see how good or bad I'm doing. Oh, I'm already in that directory. Raid stats. Woo! We can look at how many I've won and lost. And actually, I don't like the way this looks. I think total should be at the bottom. Yeah, that's how totals work. Then this should update. There we go. Cool. Oh. Wait, who? Mustache redeemed the pop punk song. Oh boy, we haven't done this in a while. What are we what are we singing today? But anyway, we can see that Armor Rouge, which is one of the last ones I need, is pretty unlikely to win. Fixture Dake's also here. Hello, hello. How you doing? And our Believa, the one that it also just caught. Oh, we actually don't do so well on that either. Huh. Anyway. Okay, I think we go in here. Had a good week of interviews. Nice, nice. Good to hear. Hopefully those went well for you. New version. New nightly. Updating. Well, it's not that. I don't really remember how to do this. So we're gonna play it and see if it works. I know that we need to make new Docker images. Dockerfile.jammy. Created with make new image codename Jammy. Do not edit. Okay, that sounds not too bad. We need to figure out which ones are going to get ported into the new system. Deadsnakes. Python here. Exonity! Hello, hello. How you doing? Hope so too. Going from 180k employees to like 600 would be nice. Yeah, that is a a big upgrade. It looks like 3.7 plus is what we're probably gonna target. Actually don't know. I don't know what OpenSL version we're targeting. Let's pull down Noble and see what it is. I think it's OpenSL 3, which is the same. OpenSL dev to OpenSL 3. OpenSL 3. Okay, so that's not changing. That's usually the thing that prevents a new Python from working. DLS was here's happy severe weather watch day to those who celebrate. Is that a thing in Iowa? Are there Iowa multiple tornadoes? Oh boy. What's a city in Ohio? In Iowa, Des Moines. I can't spell. Why does it not give me the weird? Like with this, it gives me this. Hooray! Warm. Not supposed to rain until the evening. That's actually not so bad. Is French? Moi? Like that? It means the monks. Oh. Interesting. Okay, so 3.7 is the last one we need. Yeah, but we'll clone a more new one. Kansas City is on the edge of moderate severe storm area today. Oh. Nebraska / Iowa got decimated yesterday. Huh. Well, that's unfortunate. 3.7, 3.8. Bum ba bum. Let's do 3.12 so that we can build the Docker image at least. But we got to do all of them. That's not what I want. I want Jamie. So then apparently we could just do this. Noble 3.12. I think I write this to the file directly. .noble. I should have done T-A. 2404 is out. We've been waiting on deploying some new hardware to get it on the LTS. Nice. Nice. I know basically nothing about the new release. I assume it's more snap garbage. And I know one thing. I know it shows with Python 3.12 as the default. I meant this today. Oh, we're getting. We've been running 1804. Oh boy. Wow, that made the Docker file real fast. I mean, it looks roughly correct. I think I can do this. I think this is how it actually builds. Thunderbird is a snap, but as far as I've seen, their snaps went more speedy. Don't like. To be fair, we inherited this project and the old people really let it go. Oh no. They're really feeling a difference in the Firefox snap and the Firefox dev. I just don't want the snap garbage running. Well, running runtime exit status 0, exit status 100. Okay, we'll do it. We'll do it this way. So it gives us the output. MIME support has no installation candidate. Oh boy. MIME. What is this package called now? First thing I do is auto remove and block snapd. Yeah. Alcoholistic booty wrap. Hello, hello. How you doing? Getting back to Debian on my laptop. Pop OS took too long, freezing everything while making yet another DE. I don't know what it is. There's too much snap flatpak garbage being Ubuntu based. Yeah. Yeah, I'll never understand the push for snap. I don't know anyone who prefers it over apt. I think the idea is that like there's a you know, a trade-off. The argument is like, LTS has old outdated packages. And so snap is a way to like ship newer shit on older LTSs, but like who cares? I'm over newer shit? Yeah. There hasn't been something that I've actually like cared about getting in a long time. And if I do, I just build it from source. People need to slow the fuck down. The newer shit is buggy crap. Yeah. I think the only thing that I've cared about upgrading is Podman. But yeah, my hard drive space isn't infinite. Oh, mine's basically infinite. Debian testing is the best of both worlds. Yeah, but then you get owned by XZ. Okay, so I guess the other way to look at this is Ubuntu Python 3. And then we can look at the build depends for Noble. Figure out what they changed MIME, what is it? MIME support to? Source package. Where's source package? 3.12. Source package? Was this gonna download? No, okay, good. Source package, here we go. Media types is, I guess, what it got renamed to. Package not available. Okay, so I guess it's called media types. Okay. So let's do that. What was it called? Media types? Media types. Libmime types Perl. Yeah, I don't know why they did this. Probably some garbage. Control.in mime support becomes media types. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Make Control file. Noble. Mime support to media types. We're gonna need to cherry pick that over and over and over. Ah, what a pain in the ass. We're gonna do it this way this time. T-A. Yeah. Oh, that was fast. I basically just care about getting LTS. I have zero clue what new stuff gets thrown into these distro upgrades. Yeah. And has Braun says, I also think about the ecosystem with Snapcraft, Rockcraft, and Charmcraft. What the fuck are Rockcraft and Charmcraft? Oh, you work at Canonical. Okay, cool. There's been a few Canonical employees in chat. I haven't seen what's his name? Jugmac in a while. Soccer Bill. Let's try this again. XZ was such a good attack that I'm okay getting owned. Fair. I can often build something from a source dev. If it needs every bleeding edge library, it's probably not worth daily driving anyway. Yeah. The fire says, are we adding 24/4 support to deadsnakes today? That's the idea, at least. Roll Adrian says, put a beat under media types and you have a German house hit. Rockcraft is a tool to build container images. Oh no, we need another one. Let's see, container based rocks? What is rocks in all caps? Picture says, I see them come up every now and then. We're still requiring their high school information when applying. I mean, I did great in high school, so I don't care, but it is a little bit weird. Oh, rocks is the name of their container renewals. Oh, I see. Okay, so we got a building image, so that's something, I guess. Let's start with that. Also, I like that this is a file. A file named tester. I don't know why it's there, but I also am not about to try and clean it up. Anyway, it probably should be getting ignored, but because I would have to do in every repo. I guess I could. Yeah, we're just gonna leave it. All right. Okay, so this definitely does not build yet, but we're gonna push up the branch just so that we have something to work on, and then add noble builder image. There's also RocksDB. Whoa. Chisel is a great tool. I'm not familiar with it. There are various tools like Builda, Chisel, and more. People like Juju and MicroCase. I don't know why. I'm fine just Podman and Builda and ignoring the rest of it. Personally. Realized I've never thought about updating the WSL distro. Has anyone done that? I always start from scratch with everything whenever I'm doing a new distribution. I just start over. A random file name tester xz confirmed. Normalized sphere of unit test. Yeah. I'm so miffed that microcates requires snapd to install. I'm sure you could do it without it. Okay, so we have our Docker image in theory after this build. Chisel's a tool to have the minimal files to use the package. Oh, so it like cuts out all the garbage you don't use? I think I built a shitty thing like that a long time ago, and then I was like, you know what? The local network is so cheap. Disk is so cheap. Yeah, I could save a few kilobytes on a Docker image, but at the same time, it's like, really worth it? Clone the repo and build it? Yeah, exactly. Oh, that went a lot of output real quick. Drizzle does this based on a YAML file. Alright, I already don't like it. I kid, of course, but oh man, fucking YAML. So, here's some crazy stuff, chat, that I haven't talked about on stream yet. Precommit CI is not quite there yet. Precommit CI is almost 4 years old. And precommit is a fucking decade old. This isn't the initial commit, but this is when we released it for open source. 10 years! Oh, I feel like I've aged like 30 in that 10 years. Don't make a popular open source library. And my bones. Almost halfway to drinking age, yeah. That's crazy, right? 10 years and it hasn't gotten a rewrite yet. If we ignore the in progress one. It's getting pretty close. I'm like so close to having it running hooks. But I keep getting bogged down in all of the like Git shenanigans, and it feels like a lot of the what was cached? Oh, it's building a focal image. I keep getting bogged down in the like Git minutia. But yeah. I was at Yelp? Yeah, I was at Yelp. It started as like a hackathon project, well, sort of a hackathon project. Because we had this like terrible 1,000-line shell script. It is Roost. Why Roost? The honest answer is I'm kind of sick of dealing with all of the garbage changes in Python. There's so many just like fucking annoying things that I have to keep up with. Like here, I'll give you an example. Like I know this is broken and I just haven't fixed it yet. I install myself. Then pre-commit run mypy. Will there be a new how to set up a virtual machine video on 2404? There will, but in order to do that, I need to do this. Because I am still running version 6, because version 7 made it so I can't click this and then click the X, and version 7 it'll crash every single time. Actually, no, stop, go away. But yeah, here's like an example of the annoyance of 312. This isn't even right. This is just something I should fix in TypeShed. I'm pretty sure it is always OS error. Oh, where the fuck does this come from? Oh no, this is in SHUtil, but not there. I think it's always OS error. SHUtil. Yeah, I don't know why that's exception. I feel like it should be OS error. Bum, 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 bum. Fi Zombie, thank you for the follow. Or is it Fee Zombie? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Somebody clicks on those videos. They're good videos. I mean, they're decent. They're like, hey, here's how I develop. Here's how you set stuff up. It's real easy. Just follow the steps and you get it. This is Ed. Welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. LC Pablo says, Ubuntu 2020 2404 ISO is 6 gigs. What a bloat of an ISO. Who gives a shit? You know, like, we're not burning it to CDs anymore. And, you know, internet's fast enough. Who cares? And I'm pretty sure you can get the minimal image too. Noble download. I don't think you need the 6 gig one. Let's say desktop. Oh, I didn't want to click on it. Stop. It's only 5.7. It's not even 6. Where's the... There's usually a desktop minimal. Oh, maybe they got rid of it. Maybe it's just the install time selection. But you know what? That's not that big. Who cares? The server ISO's 2.6. And disk is cheap. Network's cheap too. Bellwada says, I realize that all code is bad. True, all code is bad. All projects will become spaghetti at some point. We always complain about it. Anything can work too much with it or not getting it for the first time. Yeah, that's true. I just think like the idea with Rust is that for me, it's like 3 things, maybe 4 things. Startup time gets way better. Distribution is way easier. So I just build for all the platforms and architectures I care about. I don't have to care about Python continually changing the internals for one core dev's whims. Jericho. And I can have autocomplete that's fast enough that I don't feel bad implementing it. Kind of those things. But yeah, TypeScript shouldn't have to exist. I agree, Spitfire, but the standard lib is hesitant to add implementations of that's so weird. Why was it any before? Why did it become exception? Look at the code. Python 3 pydoc shutil. Perm tree. On error. Oh, that's the old code. On error. That's the old one. On exe is the new one. So look for all calls of this. Oh, this is exception. Accept exception. Oh, gross. Well, anyway, there's probably a slight microbug there, but who cares? Util 234. Handle read only. So this should be exception. And this should be this instance. Like that. Is that what's gonna make my pie happy? probably. Azumi-chan says, where do you recommend buying a domain from? All of my main domains that I handle are through Cloudflare. But that's mostly because they are relatively cheap, and I already use Cloudflare for other stuff. But shrugs. Earl W, hello, hello, welcome back. E5 faux fum zombie. Yep. It took me 4 dummy dum dum releases to finally be able to properly upload my stump package to PipeGuy. Hey, there you go. Zombie says, you're the man managing dead snakes? Yep, it's me. My thankless work. Is the Anthony window manager out for 2404 yet? No, I haven't rebuilt my terminal yet. But soon, it'll be there, random dev. 6 gigs requires a dual layer DVD. What is a DVD? Yeah, there you go. We're not burning CDs anymore. Now we're going with books again. What? The Zed says, can you tell me a bit about your dev environment? You're using Windows as the host OS. Why not native Ubuntu? Why do you have different VMs for your job and open source development? Is it this? What is the damn thing? Here we go. There's the thing. I talk about the reasons in this. I keep my work separate so that I don't. Well, one, because the work setup's real complicated for stupid reasons, but also it's easier to keep it separate. You should name a video series after that. Wait, which thing, Victor J? I'm too late now. I've lost my hedgehog. What? My pie really was Pandora's box. I mean, there's all sorts of stuff in my pie, but does the standard lib not endorse adding types to it? It doesn't. There's a lot of core devs that are like, man, types are stupid. I want my dynamic garbage language, and like, so we don't get types in the standard lib. But also type check sort of has to exist because there's a lot of type checkers not written in Python, so they have to understand the standard lib at various versions. But JW Quest says, how old are you? I will tell you the answer, but you have to guess first. Rick KRL, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. You're also saying all the TLDs I was missing when Google domains decided to die. I think I'm down to 1 domain hosted somewhere else there, which is really annoying. Furl W, I already said hello to you, but hello again. Bawada says, if someday you lose your too good memory, would you consider using an LSP for autocomplete so we don't feel bad about ourselves? No, I think at that point I would just I think I would just stop working and give up. Kazakar says dual labor DVD needs twice as much to work on. Yeah. Sarab, hello, how you doing? Welcome. Talking about domains, I bought clientfiles.zip just so that I could fish. Oh, someone said all code is bad. Oh yeah. I do have a series like that. JW Quef hasn't guessed yet, so I can't tell you until JW Quef guesses. Curl has types. If you don't like them, you can choose others, or it'll guess them for you. JQuef says early 30s. You gotta guess a number. That's not a number. When Google Domains went RIP, I moved everything to Namecheap mostly because they have some of the best dynamic DNS. I assume that's what DDNS is. S says you are 29. Golden 94. Devil Kid says 33.256. That's oddly specific. JQuef says 30. Okay, well I actually have to figure out what year it is. 2024, so I am 32. 32. When is the better stream platform? Even a number of Linux-only streamers use it for that reason. One example outputs Pop! OS video streams to a capture card on a Windows box. Oh, that's oh, isn't that what BG does? Oh, you're 29 halves. Cool. Cool. Languages like OCaml have an interesting approach to typing, or NIM, both of them have interesting types. Yeah, I think that's true. 2404 means new deadsnakes branches are also new VM and more fighting snaps. Yeah, all of the above, ideally, if we get to all of it. Anthony doesn't know his age off the top, so he's basically a boomer. At least I can do the math. But yeah, okay. So in theory, we should have a Docker image now. From this. Do you use any other language other than Python? Yes. On this channel, I have written Python, Go, Rust, C, C++. We did an IM stream once. We did a bunch of JavaScript, Bash, random Docker files. We did some Kotlin streams. We did some Dart streams. I don't know. I write whatever the fuck I need to. SQLite, yeah, there we go. Indeed, Capizard. Yeah, we basically write whatever we need to get the job done. Most of it's Python, but whatever we need to do. Nim and Ada, I really didn't like person, but 2404's end of life is before 22? Really? Are they changing their release cycle? It doesn't look like it from here. So what's this black? What? This doesn't look like it. Explain? This looks like normal. Eventually Elixir and OCaml. Yeah, I'm so garbage at functional languages that I don't really enjoy them. Last time unattended upgrades made me lose my mind because I kept reinstalling packages as snaps over the devs. Yeah, I had to do like funky nightly freezing stuff. But 2404 until 2034, yeah, this is insane. I mean, it's ESM, but like whoever's paying for ESM, that's their jam. Jquef says, thanks for your videos, by the way. I watched them a few years ago and finally today you popped on my Twitch. Oh, well, welcome to the stream. Yeah, there's nearly 600 videos on YouTube's now. Not including streams. By some packages, you mean Firefox? Yeah, it was literally just Firefox for me. Okay. What was I doing? Ignoring that for now. That's what I was doing. We built the Docker image. Water Shark Park, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I'm gonna start with a nightly. Because that's gonna be the fastest one to build because it doesn't do all the... Actually, I think they're all the same now. I think I enabled PGO and LTO on the nightlies already. Maybe. Unclear. One thing I wanted to look at. We have some like patches for... Oh, no, we don't have them here. They're only for 3.13. They're only for 3.13. Okay. So I think we just need to make a new release. Noble 1. Oh, and 3.12.3 came out, didn't it? Oh, it's so much work. Damn it. 3 weeks ago. Oh, I'm so far behind. And this came out. Oh. Ugh. I'm gonna repackage 3.12 too. Oh, they have an official apt repo now. Oh, that's not the nightly. Okay, that's cool. Have you considered switching to Pop! OS for less snaps? I build packages for Ubuntu, and so switching to some other one. I know it's still Ubuntu, but it's different. It's just easier for me to not. But sure. Asking for a friend with 20k channel points. What are the keyboard options? We have this one. We have this one, and in theory, I could get my Sentry keyboard out of the box too. So those are the choices. Fire says, well, you like types and surprised you don't have type linting or LLM support. Well, I don't need fucking LSM, whatever, LSP. LLM? Large language models? No, why the fuck would I need that? I don't need some AI to help me write shittier code. But I do have linting. I do have linting, and it basically just runs Pregment. So whatever I have linters for, it'll lint it. What the fuck was I doing? Oh, we were. Yeah, I'm gonna make 3.12.2 work first, and then we'll do 3.12.3. That's the plan. So, doing this. Repackage for Ubuntu Noble. Noble. Noble 1. Alright, we can do a little gamble. You meant LSP, okay. I was, yeah. I think LSPs just slow me down personally. How do I even do this? It's not called gamble. What is the prediction? That's what it's called. It's been so long. Our prediction. Will the build succeed? Question mark. I don't think I need the question mark. Yes, no, 1 minute. All right, gamble your points. Good luck. Pronam says, was your initial goal with Pregment to help with your own workloads or to standardize behavior for multiple people? I have to think back a decade ago. It was sort of both. Sort of both. Yeah, it was kind of both. Part of it was to solve Yelp's problems, but a lot of it was also myself. Oh no! Cythrius, thank you for the resub at 36 months. RIP your streak. We still know it in our hearts. But it's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Appreciate you stopping by. First try, yeah, that's the dream. My God, so many channel points are going into this bet. All right. I feel like it's gonna fail real quick though. Oh, it's pulling our image. Okay, better than I thought it was gonna go. No really negative experience with Firefox Snap, but it was the only Snap I had left and I just want to be clean. Yeah, true. World domination, yeah. Lithur says, it's okay, I have a 1100 day streak in Duolingo. Oh. How many days have you paid your green gems for? We fixed the channel point encounter with this pizza suggestible. Yeah, I didn't end up doing that because I went out to lunch right afterwards. I don't know if I can be a pizza content streamer. But 150 lines of Ansible just clean up vanilla Ubuntu. Yeah, I've got a lot of purges in my puppet. Devil May Cry, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I guess while that's going, we can download the new LTS, right? We have the page here. I actually started it, didn't I? Ubuntu mobile download. Hopefully that doesn't ruin my frames. 2 hours left. Should I do the BitTorrent version? That's gonna be way faster, right? 2 hours? My internet's so fast. It should take like 40 seconds. Just torrent it? 3 hours? Yeah, fuck this. Where's their torrent download? Do they not do that anymore? I don't even know if I have a torrent client involved or installed. Ubuntu 2404 torrent. Alternative downloads. Here we go. BitTorrent. Alright. We're gonna make sure that I don't have anything embarrassing in my BitTorrent client. Cause I don't know. Oh god. I haven't opened this in forever. Azurious. Oh no, it's called Views. I just like it because there's a frog for a logo. No thanks. I gotta pay for that. Estimated 4 days. Okay, that's pretty bad too. That's funny. Okay, the last time I used this was for 2004. So, yeah. Oh, no, I'm not showing it. Okay, here we go. But I've only got 1 peer and no seeds. This is pretty cringe. Views, blast from the past? Yeah. Yeah, this is real old. But shrugs. I don't know why I don't have, there's like a way to where's the like rescrape? God, it's been so long. I don't even remember how to do this anymore. Oh, I see it's downloading into Doctor Who. Yeah, we're gonna minimize that. Okay, bye. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna let that build. And we got some stuff to check on. Got some other things. Yeah. Oh, you'll give me a backdoor download link? eJSON, pretty popular encrypted JSON format. Is it? I use VirtualBox. Oh, my beer's almost gone. I like how eJSON just gives me JSON. JSON 3-letter file convention. Oh boy. This is not very popular. Look at you. Oh boy. No. Ah yes. GitHub parts. They pay the bills. Totally ubuntu.exe. Right? Well, oh. Data missing. Yeah, we're just gonna delete you. How do I not have any seeds or peers? Maybe it's because this is so old that I can't connect to modern clients. Pandemicday.page. Oh boy. Yeah, we're just gonna cancel this because I don't think this is working. Delete. Alright, surely this is not a W3 schools, right? Oh yeah, this is way faster. Port forwarding needed? I probably just need to upgrade, and like I haven't used BitTorrent in so long, so it's a skill issue. It's definitely my problem. Okay, what was I doing? Reading a pull request before I got distracted. EJSON. Are they JSON though? I thought they weren't. What do the files look like? They have an example in here. Blah blah blah. Oh, they have a pre-commit hook. 5 years ago. Where is their example? Go fumped. Is this a new Go format, but different? A Ruby gem? Do they not have any fucking example files? Oh, it does look like JSON, yeah. Yeah. Okay, fine. I would also add a JSON, so this can be targeted specifically. In addition to JSON. Pandemic day.page is my stupid throwaway. Automatically reformat the date to align with March 2020 as the start of the year. It's pretty good. Alright, that one's done. LinkedIn request. I didn't do this. Oh, this person's a manager now. Really? Damn, they've been there for 8 years. Oh wait, they've always been a manager? No. They're just cheesing their LinkedIn profile. Okay, fair enough. Get your grind. How's this build going? Still going. Promising. That's the one I'm working on. And we got this one. Extend check for illegal file names. Fix failing test. Oh boy, what did they? They had a star in there. Oh, sure. We're gonna have to squash the commits anyways. Why would they do this? Yeah. \D and then 1, 2, 3. Is that really a problem? Com0 seems fine. What is the What is the Windows version of ls? Isn't it? Oh, it's just dir, right? At the very least, this doesn't seem correct. Holy fuck. It's a big number. I don't know what the language name is for Windows command. Thank you, Kazakara and Ardalis. Okay, well, that was easy to ignore. Batch? What do you mean batch? Okay, so you can ignore that one. Batlang? Oh yeah, batch, sure, but it's just whatever. It's the Windows. This person being like, Google does this, so therefore it's a good idea. They make a release? Last week. 5 days ago. This doesn't make sense. They lost the original link. Will this be evil? I'm not sure it's a good idea. Well, the thing is, like, Google's engineering practices are optimized for tens of thousands of engineers. And nobody fucking needs that. Weird. Why did this get stuck? Installed in state RAID. Did the RAID just take too long? We will make the switch progress. Something like people blindly applying Airbnb prettier rules? Airbus? Or I think you mean Airbnb. I mean, I think that's less of a problem. I think the assumption is that Google knows what they're doing for a 5-person startup or a 600-person company. When you probably don't need gRPC, and you probably don't need a monorepo, and you probably don't need Bazel, and you probably don't need Kubernetes, to be honest. But Google's doing it, so it must be a good idea. Is way too prevalent in the industry. I think my analytics is gonna count that as a failed raid. We'll see. It should increment the lost count as soon as I do this. Within like 2 seconds of this, right? No? Maybe not? Maybe I chose to make unknown things not count either way? Folks. We have a monorepo at work for 2 to 3 Python plus TypeScript products. Yeah, there's no way that's worth it. 3 different Python versions? Isn't that missing the point of a monorepo? I thought the whole point was like everything is consistent. Drugs? Okay, anyway. Ignore that. How's this build going? We are at what stage? Are we at F profile use? We're FLTO. Yeah, I think this is the last part. At least the last build. Although, wait, it has to build like 6 times. Export dynamic. Yeah, I think this is the shared object one. That's real close to being done. Oh no, it has to do with the debug build. I forgot about the debug build. Fuck! Slayer, hello. 3.9, 3.10, and 3.11. Interesting. What monorepo tool? Nothing. Yeah, that's when you know that you're definitely using a monorepo for the right reasons. Okay. Oh, the ISO downloaded, so we can make a new VM. Call this Ubuntu. Why did I capitalize it? What kind of cringe is that? That's not where I put these. Yeah, fuck capital U. That shit's cringe. How much RAM did I give this? Free-H. Holy shit, I gave this a lot of RAM. I mean, I guess I got a lot of RAM, so might as well, right? Bloop. Guided mode? No, fuck that. Lucas D. Rabbit, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I use the 2 brain cells in my head, playing Pong with a third to manage power repos. 2 projects using layered oh god. I don't remember the fast way to do that. Fixed size is the fast way. How much disk did I do here? The F-8. Looks like we did 100 gigs. 100. Fixed size makes it faster. VDI is default. Let me make sure I have enough disk space on that drive. Properties. Ooh, we're getting close there. Yeah, that'll probably be fine. I can probably kill my 2004. I don't think I booted this in so long that surely there's nothing useful there. Let's is there a way to see like the last time you started I guess I could just look at the modified time. The VMs. January of 2023. I haven't started it in over a year. There's no way I need that. What is e.png? A screenshot of me working on TypeShed. Huh. Anyway. Logs. Yeah, nothing newer than 2023, so I think I can just delete this. How much space is it using? 40 gigs? Maximum storage exceeded. For some reason I have this clip. Wait, what is this clip? Oh, I remember this. Okay, I remember what this is. We prune it and it kills like a terabyte of image. 40, yeah. I didn't even have like 40 gigs of space in this VM, so I don't even know how it did that. Just some weird math. Okay, I remember that. Yeah, it's a good clip. It's a good clip. I like it. Okay, sure, fuck it. This should be fine. I have enough space for this. Should be fine. I'm gonna redo this for my video anyway, but might as well run it through right now. It's kind of funny whenever I make the new video for each LTS, I watch the old video and then I run the same steps on the new video. But they do so well, so it's kind of worth it. This is still, oh, it's doing another configure round. Okay, so it's got to do the bug build still. 4 minutes? Four minutes? Use overlay and video corrections? Nah. Well, then it wouldn't get clicks. You get new clicks. A loyalty bonus, indeed, S1 Cube. Congrats on your 5-stream watch streak. Which was implicit before, but now they give you a way to call it out, which is interesting, I guess. I'm surprised how long this is going to take, but that's fine. Agent Ul SRI, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I still have my Ubuntu 1804 shared folder here. Oh, the first version of 8OC Bongo. What is this? Oh yeah, I can remember this. Pip introduced like an alternative progress bar, and it just like completely shit the bed here. I remember that. Repo. The Dead Panda says switch keyboards. Which keyboard do you want? I hope you want the simple one and not the complex one, because otherwise I gotta go in the closet. Repo. I like how I didn't actually know I was gonna say repo at the end there, but at least I'm predictable. The Zed, thank you for the sub with Prime. Welcome to Subdom. Appreciate that. I hope you're doing well. Okay, the simple keyboard's at least easier because I just have it right here. Controller is this? Okay. I gotta move all this junk out of the way though. Oh wait, is that controller? I don't know. Gotta move the balls and the B and the Twitch logo and warp. And now you ready for the rest of the stream? The rest of the stream, everyone's gonna be like, where's your split keyboard? What did you do to your split keyboard? Last time I was here, you used a split keyboard. Alright. Fine, it's fine. We never did do that song. Who redeemed the song redeem and then we didn't sing the song? Who wanted the song? They didn't tell me what song. This beat word. Oh, I got it right the first time. Agent Dual SRI says, where's your split keyboard? Last time there was a split keyboard. Yeah, exactly. Precisely. You know the meta. You're there. I haven't used this in so long. Oh god. Is it jumps over? Jumps over. The Funky Monkey says, I'm just wondering where there's a split keyboard. Why is he using a flat keyboard? Yeah, exactly. It does feel nice though. I do miss my clears. What's a little 3x3 clear with the white and yellow thingies? This guy? Is it keyboard 3? Yeah, it's my little stream deck. Split keyboard disappeared like a ghost. Oddish, welcome back. Good to see you again. It's been a bit. I hope you're doing well. Should be the debug build. I don't see the debug flags, so I'm not sure. Anyway, we're letting that go. I need a new computer. My current computer is 6 years old now. It's time, I think, for me to get a new computer. Been lurking on the reg. Hey, good to hear, good to hear. We appreciate the lurkers just as much as the active chatters. Who are you? Nothing. Phantom notification again, as usual. New computer, I'm still rocking a laptop. I built this one because my computer died while I was streaming in 2018. In my like first month of streaming. Perhaps more the lurkers troll you less. Kinda true. Kinda true. Yeah. So that's kinda true. Blurp blurp blurp. Don't need you. That is building. Stream was too strong for the last machine. I mean, it's like when I had like 3 viewers. Like, oh god, uploading to 3 viewers is real taxing. You build a PC or something like the framework laptop? Laptops. I mean, I have a laptop. I don't need a laptop. I just want a computer. And my dual core from 2008 eyeballs? Yeah. Yeah. But also that way Tina will be able to get my reject parts. Because I think her computer is not older, but less powerful. Because then we can play Minecraft on 130 FPS. No. This is taking a lot longer than it usually does. I guess usually I do it differently. Rage CTL says, have you automated your VM builds? For the most part, yeah. It should just be tweaking my Puppet setup a little bit, and then it should just bootstrap from scratch real quick. But I think some of Puppet will fail because it's distro specific. Oh. Might have to fix a few things, but yeah, it's mostly automated. Use Packer with VirtualBox builds. Yeah, I use Packer for my for Precommit CI's runner image. But Packer seems a little bit overkill for personal setups. But yeah. Remember the Cloudflare redirect clip that I posted? I don't remember how exactly that happened. Oh yeah, no, that was the day that like Cloudflare got owned. That's one of my like top clips, isn't it? People haven't clipped much recently, which I think is partially because I disabled VOD, so it's harder for people to clip. Popular. I don't even use this page anymore. Top overall. You're a liar. I do like this clip. This is an old one. This is not the Cloudflare one. Oh, we can't hear it. Hello? No, Vim's just wrong. I love it. Love it. Good clip. Your VM looks like it's waiting for some RAID hardware. No, it's just making a disk. Settings. Nice. This we got memory. Plenty of memory. We usually set this to 5. Oh. Let's check the settings of this one. Just check both those. Boink boink. Acceleration. Yeah. Display. We usually max this out. Do we enable 3D? This will all be in the video, but not fucked up. Oh, we don't enable 3D, probably because I had some like weird problem with it. But it is definitely something to twiddle. Display. Shared folders, we do add one. VMs. New folder. Ubuntu 2404 shared. Select. Auto mount. Yes. Okay. Ah, this one. Yeah. This clip. Yeah, that was some real fuckery. They got their like DNS owned. At least my DNS worked, so I wasn't worried. But yeah, it was weird. The Dead Panda says it's a Pokemon raid. Yeah. Oh no, you're talking about this. This is Pokemon raids. Yeah, sorry. That's that's the screen that's down there. Oh, my camera is too much today. Yeah. Sorry, Rage CTL. Yeah, I didn't know what you're talking about. But understand. Okay. Up. As a neovium/helix user, I feel called out. No, you're just wrong. What was I doing? Oh yeah, setting this up. Be able to start. It'll ask for disks. Select the virtual disk. Add. Oh, we gotta move the one from my desktop into there. At least I hope it's on my desktop. Yeah, there we go. Copy one item, 2 ISOs. Shift delete there. Oh, I should really SHA-256 sum this, but I'm just gonna trusty Dell. Blink. How do you find working with 3.12, by the way? I see a few open source projects are having some fun updating from 3.11. I haven't really run into any problems myself. There's like a few like minor tokenization weirdness stuff. Like most of the upgrades from open source projects is around like fucking wheels not being built for their dependencies, but that just always happens. Like the science stack takes hella forever to get their shit building. Hooray! Oh god. Hello? There we go. But all my stuff works in 3.12. Or 3.12.1. 3.12.0 had some problems, but it's interesting to see more Rust dependencies in Python. That was a bit of a shock. Yeah, I mean it's just a performant way to make extension modules, so that doesn't really surprise me that much. But I guess it can be surprising to one who's not looking at that. Bonjour, Tina. Tina hasn't talked in chat. She hasn't walked by either. Downstairs. The crypt library. libcrypt is like super deprecated. I don't know what you're possibly using it for. What's your opinion on Unity desktop environment? Still alive and kicking by some very young person, definitely under 18 years old. Oh god. I have to mute this. X. Jillajar or Hilihar. Welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. How you doing? Life's faded. Hello, hello. Alright, how are you? Oh no, the sound. Yeah, we gotta turn it off, but it hasn't booted far enough for me to turn it off. Anyway, it looks like the build succeeded. God. Oh, I shouldn't have built 312. The 312 ships with... Oh, fucking A. I should have done 311. God damn it. Yes, this is useless. The work we did here was useless. But the build did succeed, and I believe that's what the gamble was, right? What was the gamble? Will the build succeed? Okay. So the outcome is yes. But it's useless work. Let's actually cherry pick that first. Harold616, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, Amarouge. Oh, we're gonna lose this one. Will the next prediction be the right one? I mean, we'll probably get the right branch here. Ubuntu. Jammy. Cool. Ubuntu Jammy is not a commit, and a branch Ubuntu Noble cannot be created from it. Oh, because... Oh, I need origin Ubuntu Jammy? Yeah, that would be it. But we don't have our weird patch. Yeah. Ah, damn it. I'm support for media types. Oop. Rise! Oh boy. Hold on. Fine. Didn't expect the change of keyboard to cause such a slowdown in typing. Well, I just haven't used this in so long. I am in theory faster on this keyboard, but it's been a bit. And we're still good. Still me. Oh, we're actually winning the raid battle. I'm surprised. I'm about to lose though, because I think everyone's gonna die. Noble mime support to media types. Noble one. Noble. Package. No, we're gonna be cocky here. We're just gonna send this to the sun. It's not because the keyboard's because of the beer. Yeah, that's probably fair. That is probably fair. Oh yeah, we totally lose this raid. Oh well. Noble one. Yeah, we'll just fucking upload this and see what happens, right? I gotta do 313 and the nightly, and 312. You're going to the Shadow Realm, Jimbo. Right? I'm gonna see if I can just run this. Failed the last bunch of times though, so I don't expect this to succeed, but 312. Yeah, what could go wrong? Live coding! Hello, hello, how you doing? In celebration of 200404, you should install a snap of something, anything. Well, I think it ships with snaps, so I don't think I have to change that there. Did this start yet? No, it's just fucked. Well, the installer's busted. Is this gonna work? The snap of Babby? Oh god. Please remove the installation medium and press enter. Okay. Well, our first boot of 2404 failed, so we're off to a great start there. Surely the second one will succeed. But yeah, I guess I'll just build 3, 10, 3, 9, 3, 8, and 3, 7 and hope they work. Got 10, and then we're gonna get 3, 9 as well. It was like brew but more hip. Yeah, that's kind of true. It's like a weird, strange containerization thing that Canonical is pushing hard. I don't think it's gonna succeed. Second boot already planked? No bootable media. Try it again. Try or install, please. What's a snap? It's I was paid to say that in chat. Yeah, there you go, live coding. Is it gonna say, oh, it's gonna make the fucking sound again. How do I audio? Does that disable it? So that'll make it not go doo 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 doo. Is it like Pokemon Snap? No. It's like Docker, but weird and canonical flavor of Docker. Okay, we'll let that go. Need 3, 9 as well. I don't dislike Snap, and I'm not paying for that. Yeah, fair. Flatpak greater than Snap. There, I said it. It says Jabba Jangles. Fair enough. I'm gonna be right back. Yeah, I'm gonna go fill up my water, grab some chapstick, and I'll see you in a sec. Hello, Beck. Kenneth Go says, I'm stuck in tutorial hell. What do? I give up halfway into making projects, any forums or discussion servers to go to for motivation and stuff. I don't know that mine is particularly motivating, but we do have a Discord. I don't know. The hard part about project is like, if you're not building stuff you care about, yeah, you're gonna give up real quick. Build something you care about. That's what I recommend. Sally Laird, hello, how you doing? Joey Bites is also here. Well, Linux distros work better in VirtualBox with VBox graphics selected during install. Switch back to VMware graphics if desired. Oh. I'm using Ubuntu. I use Arch, by the way. By the way, did I mention I use Arch? I also do CrossFit. I'm vegan. I microdose caffeine. Yeah. You're more like you microdose LSD. That's the new craze. Okay. We also need to clone 313 and we need to do the nightlies. Oh, a pain in the butt. I don't really know how to get those working. And we need to bump 313 also. Actually, we need to regenerate one of them. Because this is nonsense. Did I not do this in this tab? I guess not. Bug. Yeah, because this is the wrong command. Because building 312 for Noble makes no sense because it ships at 312. Oop. Dr. Bros, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Kexit is also here. Hello, hello. Ho, ho, ho. Oh. Didn't want T-A, I want T. Red Sky One's also here. Hello, hello. Been a while. Good to see you again. DevOps Panda. Wait, that's a different name. Did you change your name? Or do we also have the Dev Panda? Did I just fuck up this Docker file? Oh god, did I just not look at the commit that I made and it actually doubled this file? Oh, I'm dumb. Why does Docker even let you do that? Yeah, I just literally... That's so stupid. Why is that even a valid Docker file? I guess it's a multi-stage where the first stage is just ignored. And you change your color. Oh. Sheena Ruba says it's 3 a.m. where I am. I got bored and I searched web dev and tip. What's happening? Web dev in Twitch. What's happening, chat? Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. And we're not really doing web dev, but you can pretend. Yeah. What are we cooking? Oh my god, we got to the install screen. Praise the sun. Holy shit, this is completely different. Sure, wired. Install. Their installer is different. Interactive. Which apps would you like to install? Just the essentials. Yeah, just the essentials. I think I skipped those before. Snakes! Yeah, we are cooking steaks. Erase disk. Yeah, we don't need any custom disk stuff. Ace O'Tilly. Babby Box 3! Bad password is gonna let me do it. It's a strong password again. In 2004, bad password was a strong password. In 2204, it was a weak password. Now it's back to being a strong password again. Hooray! Next. Close enough. Install. Ta-da! Papa Cooper P says, I tried to upgrade. I never upgrade. I just make a new one. The designers forgot to use the correct strength checker for passwords. Yeah, right? Strunk Anthony password, true. Bad password is the best password. You heard it here first. What was I doing? Oh yes. We did 311, time to do 310. Get ranch. Shit, we only have focal here. We don't have jammy because that's what shipped here. Right. I seem to remember that there is a change here. So we forgot what that is. Diff-ur. So git diff. Ubuntu focal. So ignoring the change log. Oh, the distutil stuff. Oh, the distutil stuff. Oh, fuck. That's gonna... Yeah, I've shipped a broken package. Shit. I should have copied from the focal one. Damn it. Welp. Yeah, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work at all. Damn it. Okay, well, that one's broken. Sunny Olive, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. You know what? We're just gonna... We're just gonna do this. Why isn't it letting me do this? There we go. Yeah, so we fucked this up. Mobile 2. Repackage for... I just go cancel those other builds. Noble 1, Noble 2. Whoops. I don't fix, I just reinstall. True. Bugle Cook, hello, hello. It's been a while. Good to see you again. I recommend Warp as a terminal. I'm fine with what I've got. Oh, we got the no new postings thing on the raid screen down there. That's very rare to see. There's literally no one playing right now, which is wild. see. And the push is gonna fail, I think. For the branch. Or not? Oh, because I deleted the branch first. Yeah. I should just cancel the 3 noble 0. Unless it didn't get uploaded. 6 packages building. Yeah, these should all just get canceled if I can do that. I logged in. There's no cancel button. Well, we wasted time. And that's fine, I guess. Sure there is? I don't see it. Under build status? Build status. Oh, it is there. Okay. Oops. Okay, good call. Good call, good call. I'm just dumb. I'm gonna blame it on the UX and not on me. Noble 2. Oh, we want noble 2s. 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Cancel, 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 cancel. Sweet, should just be noble tools now. Live to dice is what are we building, boys? And then the bot knows. Bot knows what's up. Thank you, bot. Okay, so let's do this again. So change all garbage, fine, ignore that. Distutils changes, yep, that's fine. I thought there was some like Debian compat stuff that we could change. But maybe Focal's new enough that I don't need that anymore, and I'm remembering what was before Focal. Xenial? And this is all just... Yeah, that's fine. Alright, let's do 310 now. There is no jammy. So... of course. MIME support to media types. Brahim, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Are you manually diffing and applying patch sets? Yes and no. I'm basically checking my previous work to see what I did before and then doing the same thing I did before. And yes, that does in some way involve looking at previous patches that I made myself. But it's mostly just so that I'm consistent with myself. But yeah, this is all work that I've already done. I'm just redoing it repeatedly for each version. Because that's the way this shit works. Debian, no. Changelog. Bionic. I have created this from the wrong branch. Yeah, I created this from Bionic. I meant to create this from local. I get to redo it again. I've had a little bit of alcohol, so as far as first impressions, the installer seems fine. MIME support. They renamed this package for some reason. Media types. Media types. Okay. Focal to noble. Noble one. Package for Ubuntu Noble. Noble. And we'll surely get faster at this for the other ones. Get Og. Third time lucky, yeah. Okay, so this should be from focal to noble. That looks better. That looks a lot better. RPG key once the little pop-up shows up. Hopefully these are fine. If not, surely someone will tell me. Or the builds will fail. More likely. Noble 2, yay! We don't have to do 312 since that's what ships with it. We do need to do 313, I think, unless... Unless they did the dumb thing that they did before and shipped 313 here. Hooray! They didn't do the dumb thing. Good to know. 0.9 now. Okay, so... Sick. Noble 1. We're going fast with these. New package for Ubuntu Noble. Oh. We have to do 3.8 and 3.7. And we can't do anything older because it does not build cleanly anymore. Hooray! Open SSL shenanigans. What the fuck? I just read Kegs's message in the Discord. PKB0. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. What a string of consonants you got there. B. Huskar says, I can see you're pretty fluent with Debian packages. Would you consider a tutorial on that? I have one. Oh, something failed. Fucking A. That's something to figure out there. Unable to install build depths. Oh, maybe we're maybe we're don't package 3.9 either. Shit, what is the? Oh, it's GBP. Why did the typo get commit work? I have a few typo aliases. Fucking what is the? Oh, it explains GBP. Yeah, Pandoxer's got me. Starting with Wolfred. Hello, hello. How you doing? Sup, baby boy? How you doing? Welcome, welcome. So we get to figure out what the fuck's wrong here. Unfortunately, unfortunately, I don't remember how to debug this. Docker run. Man to get tab completion. Oh damn! Deadsnakes noble. Error, container crate failed, no logs, conmon bytes. It's because I had the arguments out of order. Wolfred, thank you for the resub at 18 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. Thank you for your continued support. It's great to see you again, and I hope you're doing well. We've also got Robo Boboto and Michelle Mello. Thank you both for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. No ball. You mean the blue ball? The one that's right here? It's there. Python 3.11 fails to build on my machine because it doesn't understand its float word ordering. CHMox, yeah, whew. That one I do all the time. Tops on Twitch, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Wilfred is here for the taco meat. You are indeed. CP-R source to work, and update. I'm surprised your 3.11 script crashed because I thought mine worked fine, but I also didn't watch the rest of the log, so it might have failed as well. Okay, so we need to run the make build dumps. Fortunately, my script just prints everything out. So we can just do this, except instead of code, it's work, because I did this wrong. Work. And this should fail, but then we can use dpackage-i to install the thing that it does. Should be a this thing. Package-i this. Limb mp deck dev. Ooh. What the fuck did they call this package? It's just gone. Oh, what a pain. I'm guessing the maintainer is a fucking asshole, so I'm guessing the maintainer got kicked out of Ubuntu for some reason or another. Yeah. Am I shipping in a snap? No, absolutely not. Fuck that. I still arrived. I think I missed it. Do you ever use format patch in AM? I used it recently to emulate cherry picking from another repo. I usually just do git show, git apply, personally. This kind of thing says sounds like drama. Yeah, I mean they got kicked out of CPython, so not different. Fucking A. What am I supposed to do for this? I know I can skip building with it, but what happened to it is the better question. I guess we can check what Python 3 builds against. Yeah. Same way that we did for the other thing. Ubuntu Python 3.12 source package. This one. This source package. Source package. Readline, curses, zlib, bz, lzma, gdn, db, ssl, expat, bluetooth, ffi. What do they do? What do they do for this? Do they just use the bundled one? Do they not build the C decimal file? Sounds like the Pokemon rap, yeah. It does. Shit, okay. Let's see what Upstream does. You know my 311 fails to build? Why is that, Kexit? Arch switched to 312. That is probably true, yeah. Oh, we forgot to proceed this. Okay. Ooh, that was some cool colors. Why is my network so slow today? I guess everyone else is slamming Launchpad, so it doesn't surprise me that much. Okay. Oh, interesting. So they don't use... They don't use with system mpdec, which I think is what... I thought it was a configure arg. It's automatic? What the fuck? What? Where does this come from? Am I just typoing it repeatedly? Oh, we're in 3.9. This is in 3.10. Yeah, this doesn't use that. FFI expat. Definitely cancel that one out. Okay, so it's just that I unnecessarily have this package in here. Okay, okay. I use Arch because I'm too lazy to switch to Nix. Ugh. Yeah, you don't want a bunch of unnecessary work. I mean, you already have enough unnecessary work because you're using Arch, but... Normal, remove, lib, np deck dev. Let's try that now. Live to Die says I use Arch, by the way. Oh, of course you do. You're very smart because Arch. Yeah. I'd use Arch, but I don't like spending most of my free time on a wiki trying to fix something. True. True. Right, GPG. Bloop. Bop. I feel like I spend less time fixing things and more time customizing. Spent 3 days fixing NVIDIA suspend. Turns out the NVIDIA Open had not yet implemented suspend. Ah. Huh. Robobobato says that's a long password. I didn't actually type a password. I was typing it in Discord. Okay, so hopefully that works. 3.8. // novel. Yeah, that doesn't have MP deck here either. It is somewhere up in here. Climb Sport, 80 types. Okay. New package for Ubuntu Noble. We don't have to do the MP deck here because fuck we do. What did I just do? Ah, shit. Let's redo it. D McDelorian, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Just more configure stuff, the slower it gets. Probably unrelated, yeah. I recently reinstalled my work computer with Linux Mint due to constantly fighting with KDE. Talking about it just works? Nice. Use Manjaro? Yeah. Alias kill orphans. Oh no. D McDelorian, hello. Welcome, welcome. Here we go. That's what I wanted. Repackage for Ubuntu Noble. This. And then 3.8 is in theory done. And we just gotta do 3.13, 3.13 nightly. Oh, and that's it. Because I don't have to do 3.12 nightly. Oh. CMH3 Studio. Hello, hello. It's been a while. It's good to see you. I hope you're doing well. Hope you're keeping on, keeping on. Been a bit since we've had one of our little chats, but appreciate you stopping by, and I hope you're doing great. Are you still in in the Great White North and in the six? I go to Toronto pretty often. We should hang out if you're still there. Or if I'm misremembering, then just ignore me. Because that's pretty likely too. Okay. 3.7. I was just playing Death Stranding and I just said keep on, keeping on. Nice. Rask is also here. Hello, hello. How you doing? Noble. Jammy is not a commit. Origin, a bunch of jammy. Go. Lime support for media types. Noble. Cool. Change log. Noble 1. E package for Ubuntu Noble. Cool. That should get 3.7. Then we just have to do 3.13, 3.13 nightly, and assuming 3.12 will fail. Don't actually know. Oh, it succeeded! Yo! Okay. We take those? Not from the Great White North, but from the KC area. Oh! I don't know why I assumed you were Canadian. I was completely wrong in that assumption. Maybe you have a Canadian air about you, which is a good thing, not a bad thing. To be fake Canadian. I'm a fake Canadian too. I say sorry. I hold the door for people too much. Yeah. Joey's Bites is from Liberty. Oh, cool. Brahim says GG. Nice. Rask says, I will have an interview for a job with Python, Celery, Django, Angular stack. Any ideas of a project I build to familiarize myself with Celery in particular? Celery. Oh. Ugh. A Canadian Arrow Bucha? Oh yeah, you know. I don't have. Oh, this is a Canadian beer. I got my Canadian beer here. We're ready to go. I have more Canadian beer downstairs. Celery goes good with soup. I actually don't like celery at all, Dead Robot Dev. The software or the food. Okay, so we're gonna noble first and then upgrade second. That seems like the sensible thing to do. Hummus? Yeah, hummus is good with everything. Hummus is amazing. I love me some hummus. I guess I should check on these and see how they're doing. I'm amazed. Amazed that that succeeded. What is this? Failed. Those are old. Okay. About succeeded. Oh, we got some successful noble! Yo, let's go, baby! That's fucking sick. Take those. Take those. Be drinking some strange brew. Take off, you hoser. Wait, what? Granger says gonna have to eat celery with a fork. How you doing? Good to see you. Dead Snakes on 2404 win. Literally right now. Literally right now. Software. Yeah. No, I understand your fork joke. I got you. What do you dislike about celery, both food and software? Celery, the software, is a bunch of action at a distance and doesn't have good types, and it's just a fucking pain in the ass to deal with. It's difficult to scale. You have to. We should have a whole team at Sentry that manages it, but we don't, and so it's all just a whole fucking mess. There's a huge amount of overhead for building a queue, and it should not be this damn complicated for what it needs to do. Celery, the food, is like weird texture for me. It's stringy, gets my teeth. I don't like the taste either. It's just not. I'm just not a fan. I know, like, you know, what's it called? Ants on a log. You know, celery, peanut butter, raisins. The only fucking reason that is food is because peanut butter and raisins are delicious. But you just eat peanut butter and raisins. That's way better than eating it with celery. It's just an excuse to try and eat some green roughage. There's way better green roughage than celery. Anyway. It has its own event loop. There's a set for switching to trio. Oh, cool. Granger is here. No. No. I like that. Oh, that's not what I want. Gotta do this first. We gotta do this next. Then we do this. And then we find this. We already got rid of it here. Okay, so we don't have to do that. We do have to do this. Oh, I don't know if we need this here. That is what I was thinking about. Whether we need to disable those tests here. Unclear. Let's see what version of libexpat1 we have here. We have 261-2. I think that should be new enough, right? This is 247. Yeah, so I think I can revert those patches. It's more work to leave them in, though. Shit. We want import, not export. I always confuse the two. And then I should be able to... reset 2 patches back. That's not what I wanted. And then I should be able to... do this. Hopefully, we'll see. Mars Ninja Code says, just discovered you. Amazing work. Noticed your Wolverine. Go blue indeed. Head carrot carrot TIL. Yeah, there's actually what is the other version of it? I always do this, but there's like a more Perl-esque version of it. The same thing? Yeah. So at is like an alias for head. And so you can do this. I don't like this. Does it increase the more carrots you put? Yeah. You can do as many as you want, and it just goes as far back. Except I put a 6 at the end for some reason. Unknown revision. Oh, there must not be that many commits here. Anyway, yeah, because there's not that many commits. Does work. Oh, tilde 3. Yeah, that's the other one. Anyway, I just like putting a number of carrots because it's one thing to remember, rather than a whole bunch of other nonsense. But I never know how to do get rebase -I correct commit hash caret, so I was count and do head tilde 10. Nice. Nice. I like that. Na 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 na. Noble 1. I know Alpha 6 is already out, but I'm trying to do one thing at a time. Package for Ubuntu Noble. Oop. That's right. Did I put a weird character on the end there? Hopefully not. I really should build this locally. Validate that my change worked, but actually, I'd say it failed pretty quick. Let's run the build real quick and see if it gets past the step that I know it crashed on before. And if it does, then we'll just YOLO it. And then I have to do the nightly. The nightly I have to do more work for. Oh wait, I have to do more work in a couple other places too. But I can do that in the GitHub UI. I can just pop in here and go here and edit this and add Noble. Noble for updater. Add Noble. We'll just do that. And we gotta do 3.8. Edit. And Noble. 9. I should have written down all the steps that I'm doing. Oh well. 2 years from now, me will be like, damn it, past Anthony! Why didn't you do this? And it's the way things go. Edits, focal and Noble. Oop. 11. Jamie Noble. Noble. We're skipping 312 intentionally. 313. Local Jamie Noble. Noble. Poopachu says, I've never been able to relearn that get-F flag means force and not fuck it. I mean, and get fuck it is basically the right answer there, though. Force with lease is fuck it please. Yeah. Is retcon to be more family friendly? That would not surprise me. Original docs were for sure vulgar. Yeah, Linus is a potty mouth. I mean, that's why it's called Git. That's why it's called Git. But you know, that's the way things go. That's the way things go. Oh yeah, and who was it that mentioned University of Michigan? I'm actually in Ann Arbor, so if you're in Ann Arbor, I could say hi in person. That could be a thing. Because I moved back here because fuck California. It hasn't gotten to the part where it usually would fail. I gotta watch this a little bit longer. "21 minutes ago, yay!" You're not in Ann Arbor, Michigan. Sad, yeah. You're in the Midwest after California. Would never go back. Yeah, fuck California. I'm gonna put the same note here. Gate is a term of insult denoting an unpleasant, silly, incompetent, annoying, senile, elderly, or childish person. Yep. Rich Jake says, been in Virginia my whole life. As long as I stay away from the DC area, it's good. Nice. Me when I'm still stuck in California? Yeah. Short of having 500 million in a vacation house, I live in 1 month of the year. Waiting on equity to blow up. Wait, what? Oh, we're talking about living in California. Yeah. Okay, so it's almost done building. What the fuck is it building now? Oh yeah, this is the interpreter. Yeah. So it should be pretty close to getting. Wait, why is it building that? Doesn't sound right. Why is this taking so long? This should be super fast. It's just libmp decimal. Unless that's a mess too. Who fucking knows? Who knows? We gotta wait for it though, unfortunately. If a fellow Midwesterner doesn't get my humor, it must be time to go to bed. Oh no. Oh no! See, my problem with humor is I am reading hundreds of chat messages and trying to keep track of 4 different conversations and also do stuff at the same time. So sometimes good jokes just whoosh, I just look like an idiot, and that's okay. Sometimes. Ta-da. I don't know why this hasn't gotten to the point where I want it yet. Bill Nelson says pop, soda, or Coke. I'm a pop person. I am a pop person. You're an array and should be mapping? Yeah, fully. John Time Lord, good to see you again. Thank you for the reset at 38 months. Welcome back. Hello. Hope you're doing well. And I appreciate you stopping by as always. Let's go pop. Yeah, I'm a pop person. But people look at you funny in everywhere else. They're like, what? Fuck, what is this pop? Fizzy drink. Carbonated beverage, please. The soda people are winning. Yeah, you're right. Imez Jen, welcome to the stream. Hello. I think they meant to say poop? At least we can all agree that the Coke people are wrong. Unless you're a Coke person. And then, well, awkward. Why is this taking so long? I don't think I need this anymore. Container. Funny you. Yeah, it's weird. The Python 3 package is violating Debian's usual vendoring policy. Which is weird to me, because usually Debian is like super strict on that. Secret says, what minify is this? I don't know what you're talking about. Overbuilding Python. Is there a minifier near? I don't know. It's GCC. Coke is suitable for any cola, but no other drinks. Okay, I think that's fair. But people will be like, I want an orange Coke, and they're really talking about like a Fanta. Ash says, we're gonna find people to do mock interviews for Python mid-senior. I mean, I'll do them if you pay me. But, I don't know. Tricks? Me, but will cost you some soda for sure. It says, Upuchu. Yeah. Damn, I don't know why this is taking so long. It hasn't even gotten to the like interesting part yet. Because this is still the F profile generate, right? So we gotta get a built Python before it runs the tests, and either the test will succeed and then I'll be happy and control C it, or the test will fail and then in sadness. We have to go back and reapply those patches that I thought we didn't need, but we do. How many cores did you give this the new box? Same as the old one, but we haven't actually set any of it up yet. Bad password. Oh, Ubuntu 2404, fancy. What's your price? They'd usually be real dollars, but orange Coke, toss them into a volcano. Yeah. What is this funky crown thing? Oh, I guess it's a noble numbat. Is that? I get it. Next. Oh God, no! I don't want Ubuntu Pro. Okay, skip for now. Yeah. I don't want that garbage they've been trying to ship on everyone. No, thank you. Finish. Hooray! It's Ubuntu. The fountain machines that allow you to add orange flavor to Coke should refuse service on grounds that you have poor taste. I didn't even know that was a thing. When I'm talking about orange Coke, like literally people have not a Coca-Cola, just an orange drink. Like Fanta, like orange Fanta. And they'll be like, can I have an orange Coke, please? This isn't like adding orange flavor to Coke. That's like, okay, that you can call that an orange Coke. I'll give you that one. This is like not Coca-Cola, not a cola at all. It's just they call it orange Coke. They call every pop a Coke. Which is wild to me. Every time I help someone, I end up forgetting I deployed their app on my AWS account. 3 months later, whenever my bill keeps going up by $15 every time I meet someone. Yeah. Heard someone wanting a Dr. Pepper Coke. See? But that actually that makes a little bit of sense, because Dr. Pepper is a cola. But calling it a Coke is still wrong, because it's not a Coke. But drugs. Coke without the Coke and lemon instead. A lemon Coke. How you doing, Metal Storm? Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Okay, this is where it will fail if it's still fucked up. Or it will succeed. We'll see. Sounds like a Starbucks order. Oh man, some people are wild with their Starbucks orders. I'm glad I just don't go to Starbucks. Leslie May, math, come on, get to XPath. Or XPath, not XPath. XML, test XML, we're getting there. Patma. Did you know Coke was discovered in Bay City, Michigan? I did not know that. I didn't know that. I've been to Bay City. I go there actually quite often. It's on my drive to the up north. SQLite, statistics. Stir. Time, tab nanny. XML, alright, here's where it'll fail. One of these tests will fail. Woo! It works. Alright, let's go. Cool. Runbooks release. Get our GPG key. A woman in front of me in Starbucks the other day, it legit sounded like she did her week shopping just to order coffee. Oh no. You mean the Yoopers? No, so Yoopers is you're going to the UP. If you're going up north, you're usually not going to the UP. Usually. I guess you could say up north and go to the UP, but typically a Michiganian or a Michigander would say go into the up north. You can cache that build step. You could, yeah, but kind of the point of Debian builds is they build completely from scratch. So if you cached it, you would have to also reproducibly produce the cache, and so you'd be back to step 1. So yes, you could, but typically won't. Linge, welcome back. Good to see you again. Greetings from Denmark. Okay, good spelling of greetings. I don't know what you're doing. I'm building Debian packages. We got 1 more to do. That's not true. We have 3 more to do. No, 2 more to do. ECR cache? ECR, like Amazon's Elastic Container Registry? Oh, we're just using Docker because it's a convenient way to build these. We're not actually building Docker images, though. We're building Debian packages. We also will have to update. I'm not going to update it until I've made the noble branch. Yeah, I'm very skilled in Docker, so I know how to do all that. But Lynch says I'm Danish and not natively speaking English, so I'm serious. No, you're good. You're good. Your English is fine. You're great. Really, we can speed it up. We could speed it up, but it's every attempt to cache this will make it more different than what it actually needs to do, and so it will have to. It'll be complexity for. Oh, I don't care how long it takes. I send it to a build machine and it runs it for me, and then I don't care about it after that. Successfully built more succeeds. Old. That succeeded, which is good. We need to update the description there. That is not the button I wanted. This is the button. 24 noble. Ooh, do we finally have to provide? Do we have to provide 2.7 finally? Gives you an extra minute to pay attention to us? Yeah. What happens if you do this? Python 2 is purely virtual, which means it exists. No installation candidate. Okay. Might have to build to Python 2. I'm just gonna leave it out. Look at plausible deniability there. Shahar E1, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Python 2 and 3 caused me undue stress. Class action cutting. Yeah. Is anyone still using 2? More people than you want to. And Snowball. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, that seems good enough. Char says, "Hey Anthony, I'm a fan." Well, welcome to the stream. I'm glad you're a fan. That's cool to hear. Hi, fan. I'm Chad. Yeah. Every Mac older than like a year started with Python 2. Oh, it's been a few years now. Spring GG says support for existing apps built into means it has to still be used. Yeah. There's also like banks and garbage using it. I think I did these in the other order before. So we're gonna do them in the same order this time. And I have to... I forget if I have to update this or not. Nightly update branch. How does this work? Debian version dist. Dist is... Go branch. Gotten from the branch. Okay, cool. So I don't have to do anything special there. Theory. After I edit this little file here, we should have all of the stuff on Noble now. Add Noble. We do need to run this. January 2020, yeah. I'm surprised that the initial M1 had Python 2 because I thought that came out after the end of life, and so they would have had to do some special trickery to get it building for that architecture. Maybe they backported their own patches. Farhan, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh yeah, was M1 back in 2019? Oh, then I guess it did. When was... Oh yeah, November of 2020. So it might have had Python 2, but it must have been Apple custom patches at that point. Okay, did this queue off another build? It did, so we do get to see whether this succeeds or not. And then the last thing is updating to Alpha 6. M1 Pro in 2021. Not Python 2. Well, I mean, you could have updated the OS, and that might have removed it, but I don't know. I need to sit down because my feet are tired. So we're putting the desk back down. This song loops, so we're going on to the next song. Boink. We'll keep the keyboard though. I think that's only fair. Mentioning cables. Good stuff. Good stuff. Life's Faded's got Switch keyboard. All right, we're back to the keyboard too. How to buy Switch it? Install my cables here. How long do you think it'll take for someone to ask for Python 2.7? Do I want to build Python 2.7? My 2 Max and brain isn't working. 14-inch M1 2021 had Python 3. The i9 2019 had Python 2. That's true. Now our balls are back. It's true. Okay, so we're letting that build. We're making sure we don't have new failures here. Got some succeeds. We have some updates there. Yeah, so we just need to go to 313. We need to bump to the latest version, which I don't think is going to succeed because I know I've had to do nightly stuff. Although maybe... maybe it will. Because that might have been in the last... oh shit, I forgot to update these readmes. Damn it. I gotta update all the readmes. No. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Add noble. Oops. Noble. Noble. What's a buy once, cry once, standing down? So I can't search them anymore due to AdWords and SEO. Asks arm is colored. I think that video goes over the one that I have, which I've been very happy with. I've actually bought it twice. Because I've been so happy with it. So I have to... it's not here, it's here. Noble. Cool. And mine's just like a fairly cheap one on Amazon, but it looks nice, it works well. Can't complain. Not sponsored, but I've been quite happy with mine. Okay. What's I doing? Oh, I was trying to see if the update just works. I got distracted. Failed the last time, so it's 3 weeks ago. What did I run it with? I ran it with Alpha 5 3 weeks ago, but 3 weeks ago is when Alpha 6 came out, so it's kind of funny. I was behind when I updated it last time. So if we do 3.13.0 Alpha 6, it's probably going to fail. Now we can do a little gamble. Prediction. Will Alpha 6 fly and build cleanly? I'll give you a minute. Emma, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Do a maybe a little gamble. Oh, I didn't even see what the results of the previous prediction were. I didn't even look at it. But I believe in you. I know what I would vote on this one. I just can't remember whether I've had to do manual changes before or after this. We'll see. Poopachoo, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. So what are we watching right now? We're watching Noble Nightly. We're watching clicked on the wrong thing. We're watching 313 Alpha 6. Smack my witch up. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Believing is for suckers, says Lice Faded. True. What's H/T? Oopchu. What does that mean? Hat tip? If this thing builds, I'm a millionaire. Oh, what does the prediction look like? Oh my god. Who put JJMC put 25k on no. God damn. Hat tip, oh, I was right. I was right. Did I want to be right? No. But yeah. Warning, writing 1 byte into a region of size 0? That seems not good. MDS Ubuntu! Hello, hello. Good to see you again with your little stream streak. Are you doing something? Okay. What else do I have? Noble error, says Shahar. Already? Seems to be working fine to me. I'm not sure if I'm bothered more by the buffer overflow or the 0 byte buffer. Yeah. The maintainer of that library is famous for saying that warnings are a waste of time and that we should just ignore them all. But they're also... Ah, damn. Well, the 313 build failed. A merge conflict that I already fixed. Oh wait, no, this is a different file. Ah, well, that means we got more work to do. Choose.com, no. We're rich! Yeah. Okay. So, we gotta fix that. I'm just gonna reclone it, because, that build job has a side effect. Burp. Is this the year that I finally automate my, clone tab completion? Probably not. Oh, I actually did want the nightly. I can just cherry pick my manual changes from that. 0. Yep, so refresh Ubuntu We'll do newest to oldest, I guess. NK Mason says, I started packaging Zig for Debian. Built it 17 times today and still multiple Debian-based build errors. I came here to chill only to see more build errors. I'm gonna go to sleep. Well, thank you for stopping by. I stream using split keyboard refund demand because someone switched it back. DevOps Panda. Also, Clutch. Hello, hello. It's been a while. These emotes are these? Big cocoa buns with a cock high. Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Merge conflicts. Yes. Lib sysconfig init. I seem to remember this one. It was just because somebody switched it to f strings. Oh no, it's this one. This one was because somebody inserted a new line here, if I remember correctly. So it was entirely because somebody added a new line. I think I can just do this. Is our build gonna fail just because of a new line? Exit 0. I don't think that's it though. Pog Chomp, that's a good one. I like that. Get a little random new line. Yeah, the annoying thing is the annoying thing is the new line was completely unrelated to their patch, and if they had not added the new line, this would not have been a merge conflict. I probably wouldn't have failed, probably would have scammed everyone their channel points. But I think there's more to this than that. What am I doing? What am I doing again? Nightly. Okay. Ubuntu Jimmy. So I have to probably git describe all these. Just landed. I don't know how far back this is. Git describe contains this. You look at the top of the changelog though. Yeah, that's Alpha 2. That's way further back than we need. What about this one? That is Alpha after Alpha 5. So this is okay. So this is where we need to go onwards from. Literal scammer. Well, okay, so we're seeing that the build wouldn't have failed because I need all of these things too. So didn't scam. Thighbender says posture. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Better now. I was slouching a little bit. Not that much though. Anything you're excited about in 2404? Nope. If you don't know what you're doing, how the heck do you expect the rest of us to do? I mean, I figured it out. Gamer pose? Yeah. The installer is pretty true. We did see that. One time I somehow changed my keyboard from UDP to CP, probably 1252. Added one line break in a random file and spent hours figuring out what the diff was. Ah. I bet the house on you. I'm on the streets because of a new line. Good thing channel points aren't don't actually mean anything. Log. That's definitely an alpha 5, so we need this commit. Show this git apply. commit message from that. And then this one, was this after this? Kind of hope that this was, yeah, okay, I was gonna say, I kind of hope this is an alpha 5, because that way I handle this now and I don't have to deal with it later. So this one we have to... Ooh. We have to do a bunch of stuff. I wonder if we can just... We might be able to just cherry pick. Also an alpha 5, so we can take this too. And this is another merge conflict that must be from alpha 6 onwards. So we already know that the future is going to fail, I think. Yeah, that one's an alpha 6. No, okay, so we just need to do this. It's not too bad. Shit, that's not what I wanted. Oh, wait. We don't have to do it in noble. Maybe I already did it for alpha 5 and I was just wrong. We'll check when we do one of the other distributions. Puslip says... Oh god, I think it's in Portuguese. I don't know. You'll have to speak English, I'm sorry. I can't moderate other languages. Epic Ninja Elephant says, oh hi! What are we doing with the new release? We're building packages for deadsnakes and then updating my VMs eventually. Okay. I think this is right. I'm just gonna yellow it. Yeah, what could go wrong? I mean, it'll just be a failed build. And then we gotta do the other ones. You work out of Portugal. Oh, neat. Is that Portuguese? I don't know. I'm just guessing. I don't know Portuguese. I know Spanish. I know it's close to Spanish, but it's not quite the same. So whenever I see sort of Spanish but not quite, I guess Portuguese. Oh, it is Portuguese. Cool. Good guess. Good guess on my part. Do jammy next. I might have already applied the XML batches here. I do the same sysconfig thing again. We'll leave the new line since that's what upstream has. Zero. No changes patch already applied. Oh, that's actually cool. That's actually cool. I might have already applied patches here. Disable a few. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Okay, so I don't actually have to do Thinking about migrating my gaming PC to some Linux. Not sure which one to use with the least hassle. I mean, Ubuntu has very little hassle, but I'm not gonna tell you to use Ubuntu. Cody, guys, thank you for the resub at 35 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Appreciate your continued support, and I hope you're having a great day. I work remote in the US, based out of Portugal. Travel 21 hours every 2 months to see my team. Oh, huh. That's quite a bit of travel. Okay, we need to do this one first. Make sure I got the right commit message for that. Yes. Oh, in fact, we could just cherry pick it from Noble. That's even easier. Then reorder these. Cool. This one's still going. Oh, that's do 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 do. Bum 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 bum. And then we gotta do focal. Cowboy butts drive me nuts 69 24/7. Ah, you got my password. Damn. It's a pretty good password though. And now everyone knows it. Focal. Actually pretty solid, yeah. Lib sysconfig init. Your new line back there. Zero. Now we cherry pick this and this. Rebase this. And release. The number part is 69 420. True. True. So for better or worse, I've recently been getting into Pokemon Go. Terrible game. I played it a lot in 2016, but I'm playing it a lot recently, unfortunately. Just free to play. I don't put any money into it. But recently they did what's called a community day. They do these pretty periodically where they feature a particular Pokemon, and their most recent Pokemon was on Saturday. Oh, that's the bad format. On Saturday, April 20th, 420, and they featured the Pokemon Bellsprout. Featured the Pokemon Bellsprout, which is kind of a shitty Pokemon to feature. But if you look at this particular weed Pokemon, it's number 69. That's special attack. Yeah, it had a special attack. So they specifically made a 420-69 joke. It's not even PvP viable with its new move either, so it's a weird choice. But that's what they did. They did go and do that. Yeah, that's that failing build. It's still going. These 18 building, 3 waiting. Got some succeeds. Do we have any failures yet? No? Oh. S390X build of Noble 1. Oh, a lot of Alpha 5 failures. Jam. Did I just not finish fixing this? Not stat. Welp. That seems like a problem. But if it's only S390X, do we really care? Hmm. I don't know what that's about. I'm gonna ignore it for now. Although there was EMD 64 build failure. That seems like actually a problem. Z series? Yeah, fuck that. This is more concerning. This is an actual architecture that people use. Oh, fucking A. I'm gonna have to debug this. Hopefully it's only 313 though. It's very strange. Yeah, I don't know what that's about. Maybe it'll just get fixed with Alpha 6 and then I won't have to worry about it. Shrugs? Okay, but it seems like all of the Alpha 5s... Oh wait, these all failed too. Yeah. And I just didn't end up trying to fix them, maybe? I don't know. I'm gonna ignore that for now. And hopefully Alpha 6 just magically fixes it. But I think that's gonna wrap us up for today. Because, I didn't actually go through and finish this. But I think this is a good stopping point. I can feel my voice getting tired too. So we're gonna wrap up here. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel. Go subscribe there at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. And if you missed any part of the stream, those go up on the second channel at youtube.com/@anthonywritescode-vods. No longer on Twitch due to DMCA shenanigans. And our normal stream, well, recently I've just been streaming on weekends, but maybe I'll get back into more regular streaming at some point. But I announced the streams on the Discord, which you're free to join. Come hang out with us. There's a beginner's channel if you want to ask programming questions. A bunch of smart people that can help you out with that. And then there's a bunch of other fun social channels as well. So go hang out there as well. But thank you all for stopping by. It's a fun little stream. And I will see you around in the future.